Hi, this is John from Outfront Motorsports. Today we're introducing an instruction video to replace the coil connector that commonly breaks. This coil connector is available through Outfront Motorsports. The most common problem with this coil connector is that the tab breaks. When the tab breaks, it's usually due to heat, mostly on the number 1 and 3 cylinders, specifically number 3 cylinder. 95% of the time, you will only be replacing the clip and the lock. But in our kit that we sell, it comes with 3 silicone boots, the clips, the pin, and the lock. We're going to demonstrate how easy it is to replace this connector. First, you're familiar with this tool from a timing belt. We actually go and pry underneath the lock, and then while you have the lock out, you take a smaller pick and you'll pick and release the pins. There's one. Pick and release, and there's 2, and pick and release, and there's 3 wires pulled out. Okay, sometimes you might get the order mixed up. Just for explanation, the signal wire is closest to the clip, ground wire is in the center, and power is opposite the clip. Now we take our new clip that we have provided, and it's as simple as plugging them all 3 in, at the same time making sure they're all clocked. They're all locked in, and after they're all locked in, you take the lock and the job is complete. Also in the kit is included is the silicone boots and the terminals. We have pre-prepared one that has not been crimped yet right here. These are some Paladin crimpers that are made specifically to grab the silicone boot and the terminal. And we have a professional crimped boot which can be then installed into your new terminal if the wire breaks. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Again, you can remember to buy your coil connector terminal from Outfront Motorsports.